Hey guys, good morning. It's Janita back again to share another video. This video is about where I keep my dry beans, rice, cornmeal. Not where I keep them, but what I store them in. As for the rice, as you can see, this is a 8-quart container, and this one down here is a 4-quart. I bought these containers. They have red tops. They're made out of very sturdy plastic. I bought these containers from Costco. It's about, let me see, it's 4 4-quarts and 4 8-quarts. And I purchased it from Costco. And it keeps my grains, rice, and cornmeal really fresh, which it doesn't really last that long anyway, but it's nice to store your dry goods in there, or whatever you like. You can keep something in the refrigerator too in these. They're very durable. I love them. Got them from Costco. Red top, and this is the measurements on the side right there. And also, oh, some of the other ones that aren't showing because I couldn't get them all up here. I keep my seasonings in them, my bags of coconut flour, almond flour, flaxseed, extra arrowroot, things like that I store in these containers right here. And also, oh, you guys, you know what? I also want to say before I continue on, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all to all of my new subscribers and to my faithful following, continuing subscribers that have been with me all along. Thank you very much. I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys, because right now what we're doing is amazing. We're supporting each other. We're uplifting each other. You guys have been so supportive to me. I love all the encouragement. I love all the sweet and kind words, because a lot of times I felt like giving up, but listening to you all encouraging me to be strong and just keep continuing on until I reach the requirements of the new YT rules, or just basically being a friend to have me continue on and just keep making my videos, because some of you guys do enjoy the videos that I do share on this YT platform. And thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And after saying that, I'll get back to the topic at hand. But thank you guys so much. Oh, and I just also want to mention, you guys, even though a lot of you who have already reached your 1,000 subscribers, please remember it's not over. You still have to get your views. And I made a video and I asked the question, do we have to keep continuing having those views? And a lot of you guys said yeah. So don't stop supporting each other even after you get your 1,000 subscribers. Please keep going to your fellow subbies channel and giving them some views to get their view counts up. Let's all do this as a whole. Let's keep continuing to support each other, because we need it, you guys. We need it. Let the good people stay together to make things happen. We won't let the trolls defeat us. Just keep on doing what we're doing, in time we'll eventually get a lot of us will reach our requirements, and our channels will grow, and people will just keep subscribing and keep watching. So don't give up. Like you guys encourage me. A lot of you guys encourage me not to give up. So I'm telling you guys not to give up either. Just keep going. And before you know it, you'll be there, and we'll all be celebrating together. Okay? And after that, I just have to get back to the topic. Yeah, okay. And also, I use these jars here that used to, let me see if I got the label still on there, you guys, contain this product here. So now I just store my beans in there. I love black-eyed peas. And this, let me see, I got a lot of stuff up here. This container here has red beans. The one in the middle here that I got the camera focused on has the black beans, if you guys can see them. And then this big one here, I'm storing my pinto beans, which I'm getting ready to put some of those on in a few minutes. I just have to make this video first. And then this is another one, like the one that holds the black eyed peas. This one here, I stored some pinto beans. I got these from Winco. As you can see, the date on there and everything that I purchased them. I kept the label so that, you know, it'll let me know what's. I liked it, the label to put on the container. To not that I would know what a pinto bean looks like, but you know, I thought I liked it, the label. It gave the jar some character. Okay, so I just wanted to come here this morning and share with you guys where I store my beans and rice and some of my grains and stuff like that. And that's it. And to share my thoughts on the YT experience. One last thing though I would like to share. I've been having experiencing some kind of glitches on the YT. I have been going to certain channels trying to subscribe. I'll click subscribe and then in a few seconds later it unsubscribes from the channel. I don't know what's going on, but I got really frustrated and I left it alone. So, and also I'd like to apologize to a lot of my subscribers because I said that a lot of them weren't subscribed to me. I think it's because of the glitch that I'm experiencing, because a lot of like I said, when I try to subscribe or I'm checking to see if a channel is subscribed, I look on my list, it's saying subscribe, but when I go to that person's channel, it's saying unsubscribe. So it's really odd and weird, and it's really frustrating and irritating, getting on my nerves. But I just want to apologize to you guys, the ones that when I made a comment in one of my videos saying that I didn't believe a lot of my subs were subscribed. So forgive me for that. I'm only human. I do make mistakes, but it's because of the glitch on the YT system. I hope they fix it soon because it's driving me crazy. If any of you guys are experiencing weird things with your subscribers, your count, view count, sub count, and what's the other thing, rates, all that kind of stuff, share it in the comments section below. Let's help each other out. If you guys are experiencing missing views, rates, which is a thumbs up, thumbs down, or your subscribers having trouble like the trouble that I mentioned, please share it in the comments below. Okay guys, alright, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of where I store my beans and dry goods and stuff like that. Oh, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Sorry for the big old mess. It might look junky in the background, but love is love. Much love to you guys, and thank you so very much for subscribing and supporting my channel. You guys have a beautiful day. Big hugs and blessings too. Much love. Bye guys.